A very good afternoon, friends. I'm back with AKTU MCQ question from Renewable Energy Resources, unit number 2. The first question is direct solar energy is used for water heating, desalination, drying, all of this. So, correct answer will be, of course, all of these. Next question, the power from the sun intercept by the earth is approximately 1.8 into 10 raised to power 11 megawatt. Which of the following is an indirect method of solar energy utilization? So almost all the forms of renewable energy is the indirect form of solar energy. So correct answer for this will be all of above. Next question is a liquid flat plate collector is usually held tilted in a fixed position facing south if location of the north hemisphere. So generally we have seen that the solar flat plate collector is held is in the face is facing south, especially in countries like India, where India is in northern hemisphere. So that's the correct answer. Next is the collection efficiency of a flat plate collector can be improved by putting a selective coating on the flat plate, evacuating the space between the absorber plate. So these are both of this option A and option B is correct. So the correct answer will be C, both A and B. The efficiency of various types of collector dash with dash temperature. The efficiency of various types of collector decreases with increase in temperature. That's correct. Next, maximum efficiency is obtained in parabolic disc collector. Which of the following type of energy is stored at latent heat? So latent heat means thermal energy. So this is very basic question. Next is which type of following collector is used for low temperature system? So for low temperature system we are using flat plate collectors. In the parabolic disc concept, the concentrated track the sun by rotating about uh, one axis, two axis, and three axis. So correct answer is two axis. The sun subtends an angle of 32 minutes at Earth's surface. The value of solar constant is 1367 watt per meter square. The extraterrestrial radiation flux varies by 3 point plus minus 3.3 percentage over a year. Which of the following is a law for black body radiation? So both Planck's law and Stephen-Boltzmann's law is the correct answer for question number 14. Next question, the absorption of the solar radiation at Earth's surface occurs due to the presence of uh, ozone, water vapor, carbon dioxide. So the correct answer will be all of the above. Global radiation is equals to the direct radiation plus diffuse radiation. Zenith angle is the angle made by the sun's rays normal to the horizontal surface. The solar radiation flux is usually measured with the help of pyranometer. The beam radiation is measured with the help of periheliometer. Angle made by the plane surface with the horizontal is known as slope. The angle made in the horizontal plane between the horizontal line due south and the projection of the normal to the surface on the horizontal plane is surface azimuth angle. The surface azimuth angle varies from minus 180 degree to plus 180 degree. The hour angle is equivalent to 15 degree per hour. The completion of the zenith angle is the solar altitude angle. The correction has a magnitude of 6 minutes for every degree difference in longitude. The global radiation reaches a horizontal surface on the earth is given by our beam radiation plus hourly diffused radiation. The ratio of beam radiation flux falling onto a tilted surface to that of falling on the horizontal surface is called as tilt factor. The flat plate collector the flat plate collector absorbs all types of radiations, whether direct or diffuse. So correct answer will be all of the above. Pyranometer is used for the measurement of direct as well as diffuse radiation. The most widely used solar material is of course silicon. The thermal the temperature obtained by a flat plate collector is almost about 90 degrees Celsius, is less than 100 degrees Celsius. So the correct answer is option order of about 90 degrees Celsius. The diffuse radiation in the extraterrestrial region is 0. The solar constant is measured in the extraterrestrial region. The shorter wavelength radiation reaching on the Earth's surface is 0.3 to 3 micrometer. The value of solar radiation in summer is maximum on the surface with having inclination equal to 0. The Earth emits longer wavelength. Atmosphere reflects longer wavelength radiation. The sunshine hour at equator is 24 hours. Air mass at early morning and late night is maximum. The sunshine hour in the northern hemisphere on December 21st is maximum. The solar radiation is measured in the extraterrestrial region. The latitude angle at equator is 0 degree. The thermionic converter utilizes Seebeck effect. Most of the solar radiation received on Earth's surface lies within the range of 0.38 to 0.78 microns. The reflecting mirrors used for exploiting solar energy are called as heliostats.